I am Kevin and am from the Management Study Guide's content team. In this course, we will learn in detail about employee onboarding. Let's get started. Bill was appointed as marketing representative at InfoEdge Marketing, but within 1 week he quit his job. Let us see what reasons Bill has for his resignation. Bill was asked to join the office last Monday, and he showed up bright and early on the first day. Joe, an HRD staff member, welcomed Bill and took him to the marketing department where Bill would be working. Both Bill and Joe were waiting for Tony, the marketing manager. That's when it all started going bad for Bill. Tony was not there, and Joe checked with a few folks working nearby, and they were not aware of where Tony was and when he would return. For the next couple of days, Bill was not assigned any work and was not even aware of what project would be assigned to him, and most of the time he was pretending as if he was busy. Bill was terrified that some higher-up manager would notice him sitting around looking so idle. A parking pass and badge to swipe into the office was also not provided to Bill, even after a week. Bill was not even given the employee handbook, which had details of salary, perks, and other benefits. Bill resigned his job within a week because of poor employee onboarding. Bill called up the HRD and explained to him the reason behind his resignation. The HRD realized their mistakes and planned to implement a successful onboarding program. Another round of recruitment was done to fill up the vacancy. This time, the new hires had a different experience. The HR chief met the new hires at the door, and they were provided with an HR handbook and checklist of what they have to do for the whole of this week. The new hires were given a separate cube with a brand new laptop. The IT technician provided them the user ID and password. Their desk was also pre-stocked with pens, paper, Post-it notes, tape, a stapler, all the stuff they needed to get to work. The marketing manager also took the new hires for lunch with other people with whom the recruits would work. They were feeling comfortable, and their task lists were also worked out. In short, the recruits were never left unsupported. This was the employee onboarding process which they followed. Employee turnover dipped drastically, and the company also saved a significant amount on the cost of recruitment. Let us now learn about employee onboarding in detail. Course objectives: Introduction to employee onboarding. Objectives of employee onboarding. Importance of employee onboarding. Benefits of employee onboarding. Turnover, employee onboarding. Process, plan, and preparation in employee onboarding. Designating a mentor. Checklist for employee onboarding. Types of employee onboarding. Different cadres. Engaging program. New employee follow-up. What is onboarding? Onboarding is a process used to help newly recruited employees to integrate into an organization and make them familiar with the organizational culture and work environment. This process is carried down by the Human Resources Department, HRD, usually. When there is a lack of onboarding mechanism, it will harm the productivity of the organization. An onboarding program is used to improve the readiness, fit, and performance of a new employee in the company. These are the benefits which keep the onboarding program productive. Improves current employee morale. Reduces time to productivity. Increases employee engagement. Reduces new hire turnover. Prevents future spending on rehiring and retraining. Integrates new hires into the corporate culture, thereby enhancing that culture. Why employee onboarding? Avoiding an onboarding program for the new employees can be cost-effective as it saves the organization from spending a certain amount on it. However, a good onboarding program for new recruits can lay a solid foundation of employee behavior and productivity. Retention turnover. New employees who went through a structured onboarding program were 58% more likely to be with the organization after 3 years. New hire retention is 50% more for the organizations which process a standard onboarding experience. Usually, employee turnover happens in the initial 45 days. If the onboarding experience is satisfactory, then 69% of the employees will stay with the company for 3 years. Stages of the process: preparation, orientation, integration, engagement, follow-up. Above-mentioned points are the different stages of the employee onboarding process. Let's take a look at each in detail. First month. The employees get well trained with work schedule, job duties, and targets in the first month. During this month, they slowly move into the culture of the company and socialization takes place gradually. They become conscious regarding their performance and expectations. The employee will develop, learn about the company, and build professional relationships continually. Different types of cadres. Following are the 3 different onboarding types for different designations. 1. Onboarding for juniors. 2. Onboarding for managers. 3. Onboarding for directors.
Hi, Keith. I have been selected for the role of junior engineer at IEL. Can you please brief me about the orientation and onboarding programs?
Sure, Gavin. Before the start date itself, they reached out to me. I got details about my cab driver's name, mobile number, and cab number before my first day in the office so that I can commute to the office comfortably.
Different ways of engaging employees. The HR team can resort to the following strategies to create a more effective and more engaging onboarding experience. Starting ahead, spreading out, providing opportunities for practicing, personalizing the experience.
This is just a demo of the complete course. With every course, you get to view the course content online, download the PowerPoint presentation, and get the course completion certificate. With new courses added regularly, we offer a continuous learning platform. Join our premium membership plan and get access to unlimited courses. All of our plans are backed up by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied, we'll give you a full refund. We are so confident that you'll enjoy the membership that we're willing to let you try at our risk, not yours.